I know that lots of you stop yourselves from pushing the go button to join that new business because you don't feel you have this long list of requirements to get started. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 things that you do not need to become successful in network marketing. But first, if you are techie like me and like to make things easier on your life when you're doing your business, make sure you go to monicaperezburnett.com and grab my 10 life-saving branding apps for the busy entrepreneur. You want to make sure you have those in your phone so that you can be more efficient. And in the meantime, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more tips and tricks. All right, let's get started with the first thing that you do not need to make it big in network marketing: to be an expert. The experiences that life gives us shows us over time how we can be more proficient at what we do, which gives us expert status. But the truth is, all you need is to be one step ahead of the person behind you, showing them the ropes, showing them the things that you could have done better or avoided, or the things to go straight to, like I'm doing right now. So you want to make sure that you get the idea of expert out of your head. Sometimes that word gives us a mental block that doesn't let us move forward because we don't like to attach that name to something we truly don't believe, which I think is very honest of you. But the truth is, you can be a mentor. And a mentor is someone who just guides someone along the path because you have been there first and you have the best intentions for them. So take the expert word out and put in the word mentor and see how that helps you move forward and just feel more comfortable showing up and showing what you know. Number 2, you don't have to have a huge network or be famous. You sure? That's right. Let's say you live in a very small town with very few people and your network is extremely small. Guess what? Personal branding and attracting people to you can actually bring you a huge network of people that you don't know right now. The more that you can tune into your gifts and who you are, being okay with that, your quirkiness, you being funny, you being techie, you being serious, you being a unicorn, whatever you are, it's okay, because the people who can identify with you the most will be attracted to you and they will be lifelong followers. And the day that you do decide to talk about your business opportunity or your products, they are going to be more than happy to listen to what you have to say. Number 3, you don't have to be working 24/7. The truth is, we all have the opportunity to use the 24 hours that we have in a day according to our decision. So for me, living a priority-driven life is the most important thing. I don't believe in balance because I know that in any given day or any given week or month or year, it's not gonna be 50% my business, 50% my family. It just doesn't work that way. What happens when your kids get the stomach flu? You can't do your business calls during that time. So we need to know, what do we have in our life that is a priority, and put that up at the top. What does that mean? Unfortunately, I know this makes a lot of people uncomfortable. You may have to say to a bunch of things or a bunch of people that you normally say. It's how you are going to make your ideal life. You can create it. You have the power in your hands to be the decision maker of your future and what you want it to look like. So you need to be okay with setting these boundaries and these own standards for your own life and that of your family, so that you can respect and they can respect the time you have doing your business, and everyone can respect the time when you are with your family. It's just a matter of priorities. It's a matter of organization. And if you are pretty bad at being organized, I know lots of creatives are, find some help and accountability. Like I have my own productivity coach because my ideas are going nonstop 24/7. And I need someone to say, hey, rein it in, get focused, and this is what you need to do today. And so we need a structure so that we can get the things done in a small amount of time. Honestly, if you can't work your network marketing business part-time, there's no way that you'll be able to do it full-time. So we need to master being efficient with our time, and automation and apps and tech and different things always play a great role in that. So if you, once again, don't have my 10 life-saving branding apps, go grab those because they are going to help you in this area. I hope this was of benefit to you. We are going to be talking about tons of ways that you can grow your visibility and influence online. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can check out what's coming next. Talk to you soon.